This is Motorola ThinkPhone, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So to begin with, launch settings, onwards enter the network and internet category, then go for the mobile network, choose what SIM card you would like to check the data usage for, and at the following page you can see the general amount of cellular data used right over here, as well as if you'll go into the app data usage section, you'll see what exactly and how much has used the mobile data, which app or service or system, and in here you can also change the time frame as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.